How's it going, guys? Frank here with another DIY. Oh yeah! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Yeah, I think you heard that. It's a downpipe. Oh yes!
Too soon.
So yeah, guys, I recently installed the downpipe on mine and it's sounding awesome right now, but this one will be a short one, so we are just vlogging, and we are here to install this 3-inch downpipe on this Mk5 GTi BWA. Oh yeah, so it will sound neat. So the first thing that we're going to do is just to take out the old downpipe and all the booging and down there, so it will sound fun. So let's go ahead and disassemble everything. Thanks, cameraman.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is how it sounds now. Man, quiet. Yeah. So the first bolt is out. We still have 3 left. Nice.
The struggle is real.
Yeah, so right now we are just taking up the braces down here, so we'll still have those 2 bolts to take out, the sensors and those here, and we should be done. Nice.
Yeah. So now we're taking out the O2 sensor, and yeah, it's just what we're doing right now. Yeah, akabona.
Okay. Okay, so now it's time to take out the downpipe. So we'll just have to slide this thing right here.
E atenção, o gajo não é que escolheu uma, tá mandando as duas. É aquele truque que me quiser.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Voila.
Voila.
The pipe is out.
Honeycomb. So we have a lot of sauce here.
Oh yeah.
So this is the old downpipe. As you can see, it's out. So right now this bad boy will go in.
Oh
That's
yeah.
awesome. Whew. Okay, so we still have to take out the O2 sensor right there. Yeah, you can see it has a V-band setup. So here we will be applying a V-band. It also comes with the kit, and we will plug in the O2 sensor, the downstream here and the upstream there. And as you can see, we still have to take out this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. V-band going in. Não filma a minha agora.
Away.
Away. Yeah. Pode filmar aqui desse lado para ver como é que está. Ah, focados. Ah, até usar flash do outro gajo. Oh yeah, so we got the downpipe installed As you can see, everything is tightened up. So we got some boys here fastening the tire. The handsome guys. So yeah, now it's time to test it out. Ooh, should sound awesome. Away. So, moment of truth now. We got everything back connected. So we should start the car. Away. Hit it, bro. Oh yeah. Hit it, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. Sounding awesome.
The next day.
Yeah, new rims in. Ooh yeah. The boys. Damn, it's looking lit. Vara nan. Oh, look at the stands, dude. Deixa ver quem entrou agora, o gajo. Não vai raspar nem um pouco, man. Ei, rebaixa mais, bro. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bells to get notifications when I post new videos. Also you can follow me on social media at Adilson Mk5 GTi. So that's it, see you next time, peace.